Customisation of Vespas and Lambrettas is pretty much part and parcel of the scooter scene. Back in the 60s, the mods were well known for modifying their scooters by putting mirrors and lights and all sorts of things and foxtails in their scooters. One of the great customisers back in the 60s was a gentleman by the name of Eddie Grimstead. Eddie Grimstead was an East London lad who decided to give something special, particularly to the Vespa SS180. Vespa SS180 now has probably become one of the most sought after of the Vespas in the Vespa range. Number one, not only because of their looks, but because of the performance that they offered back in their day. Eddie Grimstead offered what we call now a 200cc barrel conversion. He took the 180cc engine, ported it, and it was enabled to get the scooter to pump out a little bit more. So while you're screaming down Bethnal Green Road, trying to get to your next gig, get there that little bit faster. This scooter that we built here is a homage to Eddie Grimstead with the chrome panels, the red liverage and the performance engine. This thing screams 1960s, but just on that higher level.